It's May 25th. We're about 5 days after installing our stakes. We had a couple inches of rain overnight. The river's up about 5 feet. You can get a kind of a little look at what the stakes are doing and how much water's over them. We'll walk around and take a look over there, see what we can see. All right. Well, this looks a little different. I'm not going to walk out here too far because I am smarter than I used to be. You can see the velocity and the tailwater coming out of these things. Backs up a little water in front of them, just barely. Once they start putting on some leaves, they'll have more of an effect. Yeah, they're still quite firm. The button bush underwater here. So yes, I am standing in the water. Maybe foolishly, but I think if I stay right about here, I won't get to the drop off at the bank. Now we have no idea. We should have really staked where the herbaceous plants were. Or I would say still are. I believe there. Patrick, if you would point in that general direction.
Somewhere over there.
Somewhere over there underwater. This would be a good test to see how well those things have stayed in. Hopefully they were healed in pretty good. Tim and Alex worked on those, so we'll see. So pretty decent flow. Up about 5 feet more than we were when we planted these.
Supposed to be dry and sunny by early next week, so 4 or 5 days we should be back down and we can take a look at it.
1 week later. Two weeks later, after these stakes being submerged completely under some high river water for probably underwater for about a week. Everything seems to have held up pretty well. Haven't lost anything out of the trenches. Ground is very slick. Everything's looking good. We got some buds coming on the button bush. I just noticed. Can't really get this focused too well. You can see some buds starting right here. Leafing out. Aside from the leaf. That's a decoy. What else? Oh, slippery. Dogwood, not. Well, I see a little swelling from some lateral bud area. See a little bit there. Sycamore and pin oak. Let's see if we can find anything on them. Oh, looks like we have some sycamore starting to bud. Pin oak. Pin oak, pin oak. Try not to slide down the hill here. That's sycamore. The pin oak. Not seeing any budding on them just yet. Well, now we'll wait a little longer. Elmus riparius. Riverbank wild rye. looking good. Everything laid down, but nothing came up. So we'll see how that does. And there's some carex over here. Same thing, laid down, but seems to be hanging up just fine. It's looking good. Very positive. Shows that this stuff can withstand some high water right after being installed. Urban background music.